All right, so to get your business on Google My Business, you have to access the website. So you type in Google My Business here, and this is my business profile already. So I need to click on this Google Business Profile because I want to add another profile, and then I'll click on it, and it's going to open up like this. So I want to click on start now instead of sign in. Okay, so I'll click on start now. And yeah, I already did a rehearsal. I'll call it a rehearsal to know the system, because I'm actually making this video again due to the complaints I've been getting. I've done this before, and persons are saying that they are finding it difficult to still verify their businesses. And I know the process is not a difficult one, so I decided to do it again. So that's why I registered this, and then I had to deactivate it to do the tutorial again. All right. So this profile, like I said, I deactivated it, I closed it, but the profile is not ad for another business. So I'm going to be clicking on next. All right. I'm not clicking on this. I'll just click on next. Then it's going to open up like this, and then I'll fill that same name here and the category here also. So I'll type in the Kelly's Heritage, because I'm recording with my phone, so I don't know how. I don't want the video to be shaky. Okay, let me just see. Okay, I can tap with one hand. So let me put this a small letter. Kelly's Heritage. I'm just seeing the information from the phone. I can't see because my hands are blocking it. So we have it here. This is name. Please make sure that name is correct. But even if it's not correct, you can delete it and re-enter it. So I'll click on this. All right. So the category beauty salon. So I'm using beauty salon for it. I can't see salon, but I know I saw salon when I was doing it. So sorry about that. I can no longer see salon here, so I might choose another one. Let me try salon, because the first one I chose was beauty salon, but I think I'm supposed to wait for 48 hours for the other one that was registered to be completely removed. But let me use this makeup. I'm still looking for what is going to fit in, so I can't actually see anyone that suits it. So I'll just keep searching till I find. Let me try this beauty again. Or should I go with beautician? I might go with beautician, and then later I'll change it once the other one is out. Or let me keep trying. What other gele? Will I see gele? I won't say anything like that. Let's try with pedicure. I can still see. So let's go with beautician. Then later, okay, look at it, it's out now. Look at it, beauty salon. So I'll click on it, and then I'll click on next. Then after that, it said, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store? Yes, of course, because this is a walk-in store. So if you are like me that work from home, it's a no. Like, you can't, like, for now, for myself, I pray till I get a better house, because I'm still looking for an apartment. So if I see a better house that's so big, I would like to have it as a walk-in office, but only on appointment, you understand? But if your business is online but you still want to have it on Google, please choose no. But if you have a walk-in store, then you are free to use yes. Then I'll click on next, and it said enter the business address. Now I need to pause this video because I need to copy the address of the Kelly's Heritage, and after that I'll click on next. Okay, so when I'm done copying it, we'll come back to it. Okay, so I'm done adding the address. It's a beauty salon located at number 12. Please make sure that your details are correct. If it's not correct, you can delete or edit whichever you want. Okay, so it's asking me, where are you located? Drag and drop the map and position the marker on the exact spot where your business is located. So you can actually go into this map and then you zoom in. You see the way I'm zooming in, so you have to zoom in to locate the particular spot where the shop or the office address actually is. Okay, so I can actually do this later because I don't want the video to be so long, but it is actually pinned on a location. All right, so either we pin it right here. Okay, if you mistakenly pinned on a particular location that you mistakenly picked a location that you don't know, you can actually click on that reset button you are seeing. This reset button, you can click on it. So you just keep searching. Just search. If you're not seeing yourself on the map, you keep searching. You see there are many businesses already registered. Okay, so after that you click on this next. Then it asks, do you provide deliveries or home? Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? We're actually going to use here, do you provide deliveries or home and office? Okay, let's just say no. The client can change it later, so I'm going to choose no because I can't start asking the client when he is currently not online. So for the phone number, I'm gonna have to pause again so that I can fill that phone number there. Okay, so because we have already done this before, we are being asked for a verification code. So it's either you are using this business video, so there is something that you are going to see. Either you're going to see, okay, yeah, sorry, there's another option to verify with your email, but I don't know why it's not I don't know why it didn't show here. So you can actually verify this later, but it's best you verify it like you verify it immediately, so that your profile will not, like your profile will come live immediately or in few hours. Do you understand? So if you have your storefront, let me explain, because this is where the issue was. So if you have a storefront, you take your phone and video it, then you post it. Okay, then you post it. Say record a video of your business, show your location, equipment, and proof of management. Your video is only used for, you show them your surrounding and everything. So now for us that do work online, though myself, I did not use a business video. The only thing that I did, I viewed the only thing that made me to take a picture of my workspace was when I was opening my OP account. That one, you know, I had my criminal certificate, my CSC certificate, so I had to just place them on the wall and then open up my laptop, put my files on the table, and then I took a picture of it and I sent it to OP. Like on the app, there's a space for you to upload your proof of business, because you need to tell them that you have somewhere that you stay and work here. So that's what they're asking you here to do. So but if you don't have any of this, but you can still do it even if you're an online person, put your business certificate or your frame, whatever it may be, put them there and video it and upload it. Then I'll have to click on this phone code. So I'll pause this video now and call him to come online so I can get the code from him. Okay, so the code is actually here, and you have to be patient though, because I know you can see the time, this is 11:10, so you have to be patient. It didn't come immediately, so we had to do it like 3 times. But please, as you're doing it, know that Google, they can lock you out. So just what I'm trying to say, the first time I did it, I did not wait for all those codes. It just verified immediately. Like he said, you are not verified. So it didn't disturb me that first time. So now we need to add stuffs on stuffs. So I can just leave this like this, keep it, and then add it later. But let me add some things. So I'll just go ahead to add makeup services, manicures, pedicures, lash, hairstyling. No, he does nails, acrylic nails. This is right here. So bridal services, I'll gonna fix that because it suits his business. Gele, he does gele, so gele should be under bridal services. Eyebrow beautification, no, he doesn't do that, but I believe that he'll be doing that in the future. And every other thing he will do, but the main focus of his business now is cheese. So you can actually add your custom size by clicking on this, then you type them there. So after I'm done with all this selection, I will now click on next. You can actually do that later if you want to, but just do it immediately. So you see, I've already done this thing before, like I told you, I've done it before, but I had to delete it for us to recapture everything. I have to delete it for us to recapture everything. So confirm your business hours. If you're opening every day, you click on it, and then if you have your time, you click here on this opens that. If you're opening by 12 a.m., you fix that there. Anytime you're opening, just click that. Then okay, let's say we are opening on Sunday by 5:30 and then we are closing. You can just choose your closing time here. Just click on this stuff. Just tap on this stuff, either you're using your phone or your laptop here. So on Sunday, I think he's closed on Sunday, yeah. So I'll click that closed. He's closed on Sunday and Thursdays, according to what I saw on his profile. So if he's opened, once I transfer the ownership of the account to him, he can then fix everything. So after that, I'll click on this next. So it's going to open up this part, so you can fill more description, but I'll leave that aside. I'll click on skip, and then it say add a storefront. So here it is. So if you skip this part, another thing that you need to take note of, if you skip this part, it's going to be difficult for you to add it later on. So it's better you prepare, watch this video, jot them down, and get your everything, your requirements ready. So now I'm going to click on this select image, and I already have the image on this laptop, so I'll just add it there. Okay, so this is what the storefront, or this is what your storefront should look like. It should carry or bear the name of your business that you're registering, like you want to list on Google. So it should be there. So for me now, I listed Omaglo Limited, and that's what is on my certificate, though I didn't do any of this because I'll do that when I print my signage. When I get my own space, I know that I'll be staying there for longer, and I love this space. So since I've added this, I'll click on next. So I can still add more if I want to. Then it say add photos of your business. So these are the stuffs that you do. Though you can add this later, but I prefer you add it now, because when you get to that part, you'll be confused. So I'll just click on this select images, and then I'll add it. Now that the images are added, you can add many, you can add enough, plenty, but these are the ones I want to add. These are the ones I want to add. So I'll click on this next, and I think we are done. Yes, we are done. And I got a mail that, I deleted. I told you I deleted it. I removed it, and then I'm relisting it back. So we are not interested in these Google ads for now. So I'll be learning this stuff later, so I'll know how to actually do this. Please, if you know anyone that can teach me these Google ads, please recommend them to me. Okay, so I'll click on this skip, and it's asking for a custom domain or blah blah blah. So just click on skip, and it said your edit will be visible once you are verified, and you click on continue, and that is that. So let's see what we actually did, and it's showing the profile strength as it's red. So you have to make sure that your profile strength is good, is clicking good, because this is showing red. It's showing red. So let me see my own profile. So later we're going to come back to this, but it's going to be showing on Google, so you can just do your own assignment and check this business on Google to see that I guess it actually did appear on Google. All right, so if you're still having issues trying to list your business on Google, please contact me and I will help you out. Please note that the services that I do add businesses on Google is added to our CAC registration price. Like, people that I help in registering, they pay me for the assistance. I help them to do this listing on Google for free. But if you're just coming for this, I'm going to charge you, but it's not going to be okay. Let me just tell you, I'm just going to charge you 5,000 rand to do this. All right, I'll just charge you 5,000 rand to do this for you. And yep, and if there are any questions at all, maybe you are trying to do by yourself, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. And also don't forget to share this video, and please don't pirate the video. If you're using this to cheat, because I know so many persons have been using my videos to cheat, please do not pirate the video. Instead, let them download this video, let them watch the video directly from my YouTube channel or wherever the source is coming from. It's fully accepted. But you downloading the video and editing it and adding your watermark, you are pirating it, and if you're being caught, you're gonna pay for it. Please don't do that. I give you the privilege of using my videos to teach. Just copy the link and share the link. All right, so that'll be that for this video. Please calm down to watch this video, because if I've done this video like I think this is the third time I'm actually addressing this issue. So I believe that this should address the whole situations. And you know I love you all so much. So yeah, bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.